Hello, my name is Darren Fernandez, and this is my Engineering 267 Engineering Programming for the winter term 2019 Labview Project. I decided to make my project a vintage style oscilloscope and signal generator with some creative liberties. For example, our originally signal generators used gauges instead of spectral analyzers, so that's a major difference. Um, let's see. I included gauges or knobs for multiple controls, such as frequency, amplitude, noise amplitude, and offset. Two noise types, Gaussian and uniform. And then to turn it off, just scroll the amplitude down to 0, minimizes that. You can see the time division knob over here. Slow that down some. I also included digital boxes where the user can manually put in values for ease of use. And I separated my voltage max and min into separate knobs. Let's go over here. I like this view. I think it looks cooler without having any of the axes informations, but we could scale that on as well. And then you can see how the minimums and max change with adjustment. Then increments are also manipulatable over here. Let's see. Then let's take it back down to a more manageable size. All right. Different wave types. Yeah. Hope you like it. Thank you.